Alright, my people, how on that day? Yes, we don't come again on top on our screen. And usually, we bring on the things with the share first-hand information, all the baby Naija stories. We are here for you. We did here. As the housemates, they come out, we talk to them. They get information with the things with the share for them. Now, with me today, we get two very, very exceptional people who just come out. They call them JJ. Jackie and Chico. Jackie be in the building. How you doing?
Hey, I'm amazing, thank you. Thanks for having me.
See how it's soft like today.
Oh my god.
You see what we did.
My brother.
Thank
See what we call and landed.
My brother. You really landed.
Thank you.
It's good to say you join us today. Good to and Jipo, have fun.
I'm good. You already know, bro.
How you feeling?
Amazing, fam. I'm on the level of the journey long.
Yeah.
But the journey was worth it.
Yeah. Seeing so far now, may we start with Jackie B. Because now she be the lady for our midst, lady between two men, two able gentlemen. So, looking at your experience on the house now, how you would take to say the matter be for you? What would you say your experience was like? How did you do?
I've been going to that house without the expectations, man. Okay. I mean, I don't say nobody easy based on the fact, say, obviously, I did with my family, my friends, I can't live with, so many strangers. It's someone that goes, I don't feel wrong from what it vex me, so many things. So it is scary for sure at the beginning, but thankfully, honestly, the selection of people they put for this house, amazing human being. So I learned so much from the experience, more than I expected. And so coming out, man, I don't become a whole revamped woman.
You are ready.
And I'm very thankful for that. I did.
Now going into the house, so you carry any strategy and you think say, as I enter like this, you do like this, you favor me. You carry any strategy?
Like I said, man, I entered the house without any expectation, not anything to expect. With strategy, you guys know who you are putting the strategy to. But based on say, I don't know who the other house is, go there easy now to enter with strategy. So I don't want to plan, I go through myself and game.
J-Paul, so as man will you be? We don't say men, they always enter with plan. You don't say you go enter somewhere and I thought say mood. You enter with plan. How you want enter?
That house, even if you get plan, once you enter that those doors, your plan feels disappear. Honestly. But honestly, I just want you to go there as me, as the social butterfly. Yes. Just vibe with everybody, love everybody, chill with everybody. And I believe to the best of my knowledge, say, now what I do. I don't get beef with anybody, nobody get beef with me. We go see outside, we go all still there chill, we go do things together. So yeah, that was my strategy.
Just be yourself. Yeah. And a social butterfly when you talk, say, you know, butterfly like to be perch on some kind of flower. Hey, God, dude.
Who be this guy?
You can't go perch on top flower.
A very fine flower.
Very fine flower. Yeah. So no, we will yarn about that one before I go enter Jackie because she said she be like say she be one not the flower now, but so your own side now, especially your own side now. How did it take me for you? We don't say Sasuke come blow your mind.
Honestly, she did. She did. Make I blow the same English what I blow other places. She was like an elixir.
Elixir. Oh, that potion.
So, yeah, that's
magical potion.
Yeah, you know when you're drained and you go and you have a conversation, she just take you and then her brain frequency be on a very high level. And I could vibe with that because I could think like that, we could think alike.
Alright, so Jackie B, your own Gandhi, everybody knows that it is soft. I've been talking to Michael when he comes out, and he made a statement where I want to make you first talk to him before I tell you things. So how the thing be between both? What's the because we see everything we have. Sometimes when we fight, we all lock up because of some kind one or two like that. But how the thing be? How you take see the whole package?
I'm like an amazing guy. From the first day when you walk into the house, like you say, this kind of good guy,
you sight him.
I sight him straight to. I don't go deny that one. He said, no, I don't go there. I don't go house. Because I'm the first guy where I connect with an intellectual level and a physical level to be honest. I was attracted to him. And it was honestly mutual, instantly. So that made me more comfortable. Why he said, I'm glad to come allow myself get to know, vice versa. We are definitely friends. We are friends right now, but of course we like each other on a deeper level. So they're open to possibilities. Yeah, things we have for sure. Not to say anything, but definitely a guy where I want for my life, whichever way.
Yeah. You should talk and say, no one not. It's the apple. So as you don't come out now, because the question I ask him is, how far, Michael? She now we don't come out. He say, everything goes soft now. Say they wait you. So he just No shock if they go house now, you see Michael for your gate. Just hold it, take.
I mean, he already sent me flowers. Send me nice flowers.
Wow, you don't put chocolate.
Yeah, not yet. I'm sure the chocolate is coming.
Love good. So, J Paul, you don't say for your own circle, okay, your love. Let's say you call me triangle one time, because let's say cross one double cross. You just sharply go order flowers. Say Biggie, I put my tent here. I take all that package, my guy. You not sharp guy.
Let me say I'm in blonde based on relationship pattern.
Sure.
I did it to her. See, I said it before.
Okay.
She's 21, and from the conversations I've heard about where I've been getting, she never gave flowers.
For real?
And she's an amazing girl, so I think she deserves flowers. Let her know that she's beautiful, she's amazing. And I don't buy the flowers, make you just know see. Later I talk, girl on fire. You understand? So she's a girl on fire, she deserves her. So if anything will happen after that, it was just a natural.
So you didn't feel that you don't feel say cross one play sharp guy, one just quick leg there. You don't feel threatened by any chance. Say be like say this guy one you feel like.
See, funny enough, I will understand cross situation. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, like I've been there understanding or waiting in the go through.
Okay.
So on based on guy code and all that.
Yeah.
Now based on the girl now to talk say or no.
Now who I want to this. Yeah.
I don't go clash with guy wey na G. He get good vibe.
Yeah.
You understand? I no go clash with that because I know say last class we go still relate, we go still do things.
But that move where you play that sharp guy. You don't say girls like flowers. They love flowers and things like that. So Jackie, people probably wonder say this few period where Michael will come up for house. I know that they don't ask you this thing before about white money situation and things like that. What do you really be the idea of that? What do you mean that cooperation?
Okay, so from the time we all entered the house, me and white been relate based on guys. The way they relate with us, they don't notice. It's very caring. It's a very caring and selfless guy. So now that level we all rapport and everything, then I think the big way back at home entered the house, when content is on different levels, like one try to see
whether things will be happening.
But based on saying already, she say me and my friend they talk,
just lock up.
Take my face like that. But me I know say in like you know. So I been know, but I know too loud down because I see my out of respect for each other, get everything moving. And Michael will go and in contact say if he say in case we are both nominated, if one of us don't know jazz, we might get to know jazz for the house because outside we don't get time.
True.
Maybe you said no, say okay, now this is for sure. Me said me I analyzed it for myself and the way the guy did, I want to be friends with him regardless of what happens, whether or not we enter anything. I won't take him with this guy. So I was very open to getting to know him, but not be saying one date or anything or pushing each other.
Okay, so looking at the relationships with the house now, which one they survive? Let's say Nini and Saga, Ima and Liko. Which one if you say will last? If you look at Jacob. Nini and Saga, they run things. They do one kind. Okay. What's you?
Ima and Liko.
Now every relationship if you say go last after that.
Yeah, they're strong. They're pretty strong.
Okay, Jackie, you what's you?
Yeah, I think both. I wouldn't call Nini from what Nini says. I wouldn't call their relationship their friendship a relationship. Okay. But I think they can possibly be friends. For a long time outside the house.
No,
but Liko as well. I don't know, I don't really mind though, I don't know, but from till when we talk, she talks in my 12 and so I think they get along really well, they have an amazing friendship, regardless of their situation, and I think they'll be able to promote that. Same with Michael, sorry.
No, it's okay. Same with Michael. You say Michael and who? Michael and Jackie? Is that what you're saying?
That was but no, they can't Emmanuel, they have an amazing friendship as well, and I think they'll be able to promote even outside the house again. That one.
Alright, makes sense. So we'll just ask one now. Now when I don't come out, let's start from Jackie. What thing we could expect from Jackie?
Yeah, so I did not do my event planning and interior design outside the house, but on a very small scale. Now I won't blow up. So I want to do on a larger scale, expand my company, Jackie event planning and interior company. So definitely look out for that, guys. All your events, your houses, your offices, come to me. I got you. I also have a fashion store, you're in a brand fashion store. I have everything for all the beautiful ladies. But of course, my new motto after going into the house is never say never. As I entered the house, I noticed I will ever try acting.
But you can't say you
I mean, say, you know, I don't know if they're lying to me, but my friends will tell me, say, oh, mom, yes,
no, we see them.
You see them.
So I don't say I know today like that, but I know my mind brush up my skills called entering the industry.
Makes
so
sense.
watch out.
We welcome you open arms. Jacob, you go.
I mean, you don't already know.
Yeah.
Right? You know, so I've been doing television before.
Yeah.
So now I just want more, you know, bigger on a bigger scale. TV shows, TV, you know, host TV gigs, you know. Aside that, my music self still dey.
Yes,
So I could just dey throw am, I go dey in everybody's faces. You turn on TV, you see me. You turn on radio, you hear me. You know, also, I mean, before I go inside the house, and run one business with my partner, business partner, amazing business partner, Mr. John Kaiser. So we have a business called Made in Calabar.
Sharp.
Yes, so we're the owners of Made in Calabar Kitchen.
Yeah.
So we do all this Calabar food, everything. So you guys come and chop Calabar food as a Calabar boy. Football, afan, all those kind of things.
She said we can't wait though.
Can't wait. You know they tell us.
Well, it's good say now when I don't come out, when I don't put all these things in the plan, everything don't set, then I have to just execute now.
Yes.
Things like that. But as you talk, this thing just come my mind. Say, this one you know did the house now, and Sasuke still did there, and Cross still did there. I just be asking, you know, cross now. If you just double cross time again.
But I see that.
Okay, so before I come out, who wanna go talk say goes win the money to you now? Who you go one for? Who you feel say go win this? One person. Yes, one person. Now one person they collect individuals. One person. Oh, you want call two people because you're a politician. This guy's a politician. Okay, you can call one person. Sasuke, Abi. You sure? Now from your heart to talk that. Okay. You got Jackie.
But I do for cross. One person.
You will see for cross. I like that. So Sasuke and cross. Okay, good. Oh, that was a political answer, but we are okay. We are okay with it. Well, it good say when I come through.
Thank you for having us.
So much.
Definitely, people will follow them. Make we start to see our movement.
Yes, absolutely. Stay tuned.
Yes.
And watch out for Jaguars.
Yes, so. I'm on the flames, everywhere the
flames, Jaguars.
Yes.
I don't know which one I will call my fans. The hoodlums. Alright guys, now so the matter be we don't talk to your favorite housemates we just come up through. But we have follow plenty things they come out from that side. They get a lot to offer. And we know say I don't start this movement. Alright, that's all we'll see. We'll bring on next time.
Hold on.
Now peace out.